Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to set up and train an artificial intelligence assistant for your social media accounts. Let's get started. First, download the AI training form you received via email. This is a basic guide of the information you must include in the input for it to work correctly. Let's fill it together. In the first section, write the most relevant data your customers must know about your business. This includes its name, industry, website, contact email, phone number, WhatsApp, operating hours, and a brief description of the products or services you provide. For example, let's pretend we want a chatbot for a boutique, so additionally to the first fields, we will add a location. Where it asks for a brief description, we will write a paragraph that could easily fit in an About Us section. Let's say that Onyx Boutique offers fashion-forward items for contemporary women, crafted by local designers. If you have a slogan, mention it here. The next section will program the AI to adopt an identity that goes with your branding. Give it a name and describe its age, personality, and area of expertise. Also, provide instructions about the tone and languages it must use. For example, here we want it to act as Olivia, a 28-year-old fashion enthusiast who uses a friendly tone and speaks in any language, one of the biggest advantages an AI assistant provides. The following part must contain the necessary information to answer frequently asked questions about your business. Check your previous interactions with your customers for inspiration. In the example boutique, one frequently asked question would be the availability of a determined product. So, we will indicate the answer the AI assistant must provide, which in this case is to redirect them to their online store and look for the products by reference. Another FAQ would be if they ship their products to other cities, so we will indicate they do, and describe the process to order an item from abroad. Include as many details as you can. The more information the AI has, the better the answers it can provide. Try writing the texts just as you would like to see them in your chatbot. A good practice is to start every description with the word "we." Now, the next section is about your products and services. If you have a big catalog with tons of items, this could be a tricky part as it would be highly impractical to describe one by one, especially if you are continually adding new arrivals. So, we recommend you to provide a brief, general description of the kinds of products you have, and include a link to your web page or e-commerce. On the other hand, if you only offer some very specific services or products, you can mention them here. We recommend you to keep the descriptions brief and clear. Details can be included as lists with emojis for better results. After that, describe your purchase or sign-up process. Make sure to include payment methods, shipping information, and, if relevant, a link to checkout. The form also includes a space for solutions to the issues your customers might face. Let's say a common problem for Onyx Boutique is that clothes do not fit the buyers, so we will include the process for exchanges and returns. Again, this is meant for your AI assistant to provide better customer support. Finally, give instructions for when a user asks to speak with a human representative, as well as for the cases in which the AI must redirect them to the channels where they can receive human support. In our fictional boutique, customers must send a message to their support email, so we will state it that way. Take another look at your form to make sure you are not omitting any important details. If it is the case, you can add them in the final section. Now, let's build the input for the AI. Open a new document. Copy and paste the form you created. Now, take the identity section, drag it to the top, and use it to fill the following sentence. Act as name, A, age and identity, who uses A, description, tone. He/she speaks desired language, just type a question and she will answer accordingly. He/she is an AI assistant for the following business. For example, ours would say something like this. Act as Olivia, a 28-year-old fashion enthusiast who uses a friendly and witty tone. She speaks all languages, just type a message in any language and she will answer accordingly. She is an AI assistant for the following business. Now, go to each section and erase the instructions. Leave only the subtitles. It must look something like this. When you are done, copy the text and go to ChatGPT. Type the command, rearrange, paste it and send. The output must be similar to this. If it looks different, just ask to regenerate response. Paste it on your input document and save. We will need it later. First, we have to set up your accounts. Open your browser. Log into the Facebook account where you wish to connect your chatbot. Remember that if you want it on Instagram too, the account must be linked to a Facebook page. Now, log into our app. Go to your dashboard and select the Facebook and Instagram option at the left sidebar. Click on Login with Facebook. This will redirect you to a modal form outside of the app. Tap on Continue As. Select the Instagram accounts you wish to connect. Click on Next and choose the Facebook pages you want to import. Turn on all the permissions. Click on Done and then on Accept. Finally, enable the bot connection for the pages you have just linked by clicking on the plug button under its names. Choose OK on the emergent window to confirm the action, and then OK again on the success notification. Now, let's connect your WhatsApp. You will need a Facebook business account and a phone number you do not wish to use for any other purpose, as once connected to the cloud, you'll be unable to open it normally in WhatsApp and will be obligated to use our app's live chat to manually send messages. This said, open a new window and go to developers.facebook.com. Sign up, then return to the same link, click on My Apps, and then on Create App. Then select Other, choose Business as type of app. Click on Next, give it a name and click on Create. On the dashboard, look for the app you just generated. Click on it, and in the following page, search for the WhatsApp option. Tap in Continue. This will open the API settings. Skip all the steps and go directly to number 5. Click on Add a number. Finally, let's connect Telegram. Open Telegram web and in the left sidebar, look for BotFather. Type the command /newbot. You will be asked to set a name for your Telegram bot and then a username. It should not contain any spaces and must end on the word bot. When done, copy the token. Go back to our app, choose Telegram bot in the left sidebar. Paste the token and save. Now that all your accounts are set up and ready, we can program the AI assistant. Let's go through it step by step. First, let's configure the OpenAI connection. Click on API channels on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the OpenAI API button. Tap on it. On Models, select Engine 2, Cheap for Chat and save. This will allow you to make better use of your tokens. Remember that they have a monthly limit and each conversation with the AI assistant costs you some. In the upper box, you will see a paragraph with a prompt for OpenAI. You must not change the command saying that is a conversation with an AI, but you can choose to change the adjectives describing the assistant based on the personality you created on the form at the beginning of this video. Save and go to the Bot Manager on the left sidebar. Select Facebook on the top menu. Look for the page where you wish to connect the AI chatbot and select it. Then go to Action Button Settings, click on Change and select the No Match Template option. Drag the AI reply component from the right sidebar into the Visual Flow Builder editor and connect it to Start Bot Flow. Delete any additional blocks. Double-click on it and paste the text to train the AI. Here you can also choose to add a delay of some seconds, as well as typing on display, to make it appear more human-like. When you are finished, click on Done and then on Save. Go back to the Bot Manager, click on General Settings, Change, and then enable the Reply if no match found option. Save. Now, let's see how this looks. Use your personal Facebook account to chat with your new AI assistant on your page. Type any message and see how it answers. We recommend you to ask it several questions pretending to be a customer to make sure the responses are correct. If you wish to modify them or add additional information, just go back to the input text, add the correct data in the same format as the rest, copy, and paste it back in the no match template as we did before. To connect the chatbot on an Instagram account, the process is pretty similar. Just go back to the Bot Manager, select Instagram on the upper switch and repeat the steps. After that, let's set the AI to answer comments in your Facebook posts. Go to the Comment Growth Tools section on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on Campaigns. Choose Facebook on the upper switch and select your account. On the middle section of this page, you will find a button named Edit Full Page Reply. Click on it. In the modal form, enable Comment Reply. Indicate if there should be multiple answers for a single user, and if you want to like their responses. Now, select the Automatic Reply by AI option. Write a name for the campaign, and in the AI training data box, paste the information to train it. Add a private reply to send via DM to those users who comment, and submit. Now, turn on the Full Page Campaigns switch and you are done. Use a personal Facebook account to post any comment on your page, and watch the AI assistant provide an answer. Finally, let's set up the AI assistant in Telegram and WhatsApp. These platforms have different processes as their bot flow builders are still in their beta version. Go to Telegram bot in the left sidebar. Place the mouse over the name of your bot to display a small menu, and click on Flow Builder. Drag the Trigger No Match component from the dock menu into the builder and connect it to the Start box. Then drag the Send Message one and connect it to the No Match. Double-click on it. Turn on the AI Reply switch. In the AI prompt box, type this command. The following is a conversation with an AI assistant. The AI assistant is. Add the adjectives you had defined in the form at the beginning of this video, and then type this phrase, act as that AI assistant. Now, copy and paste the text to train the AI. Save, then save again on the dock menu, and that's all. Go back to Telegram, look for your bot by username and write any question to see your new AI assistant in action. Repeat the steps in WhatsApp to set it up there too. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.